Sanibonani ma ngiyitsotsi nje manje secela ngizamela umuntu ongangenza ikhanda ongenza house call la eMidrand. Ngiyanicela i-outing.
As you guys heard, Naledi Apiwe said that she looks like a gangster because of the way she's wearing her cap and because she hasn't had her hair done. And she was also asking people to like recommend someone who will do house calls to get her hair done, because you guys know the girl is up and busy all the time. So you guys know, like, this girl's sense of humor, like if you don't have a good sense of humor, I think that you will not get half of the jokes that she makes. And I just felt like it's so crazy how she said that, because Nike and the way she was wearing, it's usually how the Lukompo artist dress with the bag, because she also had a backpack rather. It's how the Lukompo, artist dress. It also gives an illusion of like some sort of like a gangstanyana, like bo shebeshetanyana, those kind of like vibes. It's giving literally those vibes. And you guys know she has also been trying to learn Sepedi for a long time now. I wonder where she is with learning how to speak Sepedi, because I think she posted like 2 videos learning how to speak Sepedi, or attempting. Oh my gosh, it's so funny, when a Zulu person tries to speak Sepedi, it's the most funniest thing ever. Like, their accent is lethal. Like, it's so funny. So here, guys, she was just saying, guys, you guys need to plug her, which I know there's a lot of people that do house calls these days, and it's so convenient that someone as busy as Naledi Apiwe can literally get her hair done from home instead of going elsewhere, because she is so busy, because she's been doing up and down. Like, this girl is focused on her career, and I feel like she also wants to take care of her appearance. So yeah, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.